So we are going to cut the yarn and thread it onto a needle. So step 1, we're going to go into this first stitch purlwise, so as if to purl, and then bring that through, and then take the yarn around the back of the needle, make sure it goes underneath, you're not making any extra loops, and go through that back stitch as if to knit and pull it through. So that's kind of like the setup for this. And now we're into the actual repeat now. So that is going to be into the stitch on the front needle, knitwise as if to knit, and then take that off the needle. Then go into the next stitch on that same needle as if to purl and bring it through. Okay, you want it to be like taut but not so tight that you're creating a seam. The idea behind this is to be seamless really, so you don't get an uncomfortable toe. So we're going to go around to the back needle and it's purlwise off, and then as if to knit through that back needle. And then if we just kind of give this a little bit of a straightening up. Okay, and to the front, knit off, purl off, round to the back, purl off, knit on. So you see you're kind of creating like a knitted stitch along the end. Okay, in as if to knit, one behind as if to purl, bring that yarn through, purl off, knit on. So I would advise trying to do this all in one sitting, but if you do find you've got to stop, try and stop at the end of the repeat so you know where you are. So I'll just talk through your repeat again. It's knit off, purl on, bring the yarn through, round to the back needle, purl off, knit on, bring that yarn through, making sure it's all going under the needle, and then just pull that relatively taut there.